Hello, we're going to be checking out some Indian ruins. Sorry, Prawn Plant's not here, but I got a parrot. Hello, I'm a parrot. What? Yeah. Okay. Rose? Nope. She's not allowed to see the Indian ruins. She's not allowed to see the Indian ruins. That was quite a while after I said it. Still counts. What? Yeah, got some Indian ruins. Let's cut to that. What? Construction. Rock and bottom. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. Big rock. There's a bunch of rocks. I can see well. I'm an exotic animal, by the way. We know that. Movie things. What? I'm a parrot. What? 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 Boop, boop. Robot, I see. Where did he go? Got some information. Dogs. Glad there's no birds. Probably because you don't expect a parrot to come here. Where's Piranha Plant? He's at home. I've got him. Ow. Is there no plants around or piranha plants? No plants are allowed, otherwise that thing won't be there. Food! It's not food, you can't eat it. Yes, I can. I could get it in my mouth. No. There's nothing edible on the plant. What about that one? It got puffy shins on it. No. Ow. Let's go look at some Indian ruins. Okay. Where did he go? So, we're at our first Indian ruin. Why is it ruined? Because, one, it was probably built hundreds of years ago. Ow. Where did he fly off to now? Where did you go? To the bathroom? Oh, is that a bush or something? Or someone's car? Yep. I pooped on a car. Was it a van? And was it brown? Yes? You pooped on our car? Yep. I guess that's what birds do, but don't do that again, otherwise I'm going to turn you into an exotic chicken nugget. Exotic chicken nugget? No! I don't want to be an exotic chicken nugget. Then don't poop on the car. Yeesh. What? How do you get in this? I don't know.
This one you climb over.
Oh. I'm going to pause the camera for this. Okay, I just paused the camera for a short while so I could climb up that. Now, see what's in here. What? I wish I could put you in my pocket. That would be animal cruelty. Yes, it would. So you can't, so I'll be on camera always. Yeah, you would. Ugh, spiny. Not real good when you're barefoot. Ugh. Might fall over. What? Yes, you would. Yes, you would. I've got your parrot. You sometimes copy me, but why only sometimes? 'Cause I need to talk. So yeah, I need to talk. 'Cause, yeah. This is an interesting room. I'll probably get it over this with the camera. Yeah. Me helped by flapping your wings once. Yes? Yeah, I bet that helped a lot. Oh yeah. The reason why I didn't make a video for a long time was I got sick. Okay. Let's just go in here. You look like you're flying. Don't fly away. Why? If you die. I won't die. There's nothing to eat, and they'll probably eat a rock. Eat a rock? I know what a rock is, but why is this made out of pellets? What kind of pellets? Food pellets, you know? That's why you wouldn't survive. You'd eat rocks and probably die of malnutrition or hunger.
And even there, it changes.
Hey, you took the camera. Yes, I did. You know, I could... One is backwards. Oh, it is? Yeah, and you're blocking half the camera. I am? Yeah, I could see half your wing. How? Because it's backwards. You want to hold the camera? Yes. Man. There, you're holding the camera. Alright. No, you're not meant to be in the frame. Now you're recording me. Stop recording me. Why? You make a lot of delay in these videos. This is the first video on it, and yes, I know. We're making a lot of delays, like taking the camera and having me take it. God, I just paused it. You had the camera. Now this is a pretty boring room I'm in. Yes, it is. I don't know what I'll do. I guess I'll climb over. It's not made out of food or crackers. How do you know what I'm gonna say? Because I know what your IQ is. What? -5. How smart is Piranha Plant? Well, his IQ isn't in the negatives. His IQ is 10. 10? I got a higher IQ. Even if you had 5, you wouldn't beat him, because 10 is bigger than 5. No, it isn't. How? It has 2 numbers. 5 is bigger than 2. Say it has a 0 and a 1. That's just 1. He has IQ of 1, and I have an IQ of 5. You don't know how to count, don't you? You made an entirely more complicated way of numbers than the original thing. Why? I'm taking a camera. I am the star of the show. Give me the camera. I record. You eat a joker, mess around, but I have the camera. Now you don't. Now I got the camera. Didn't even take it from me. It's hugged it. Hug viewers. Let's just climb over this again. Okay. Okay, we're at the next ruins. Apparently, my grandpa got stuck talking with some random guys. Pretty simple. Hard to see. We're at 7,000 feet up in the air. Yeah, I know. Oh, there's a different entrance. Yeah, I know. We just went over here on a cutscene or whatever. Now we don't show that. I mean, I paused the camera for that part. Ow! Guess was climbing here. My toe got ow couple of stickers. I can get those out quick. So you sit here. He falls asleep so quickly. Just a moment, I'm gonna sneeze. I just got stickers out of my toe and sneezed off scene. Oh, okay. Let's see if there's another entrance. Because I don't know. Is this off camera? No, it's not off camera. This is on the internet. Really? Yeah, not right now because we're recording it. But later when I upload it, it would be. But to anyone watching, it's on the internet now. Oh. Wow, interesting. Yes, it is. Wow, that's cool. So, what was the storage and what was the living? I think this was living. Yeah, it does look like it. That must have been food, because it's smaller. Or the kids' room, because he had lots of kids. Yes, they did. Oh, window. I wonder. Hey, how about you take the camera and go look for it? Okay. How about it follows me? Okay. Yeah, because you wouldn't see you hook the camera. Okay, let's go for here. Are you recording? Yes, I'm recording. I've been recording this entire time. Ow. I thought it was a prank show. And we're going to prank someone. Like what? Putting a pad on their head. What do you mean? You could climb through the window now like we were going to. Oh, yes. Get the camera over here. It's hard to get the camera. Wow. This is a cool little tunnel. How about you crawl through here? It might crumble on me. You're expendable. How? Well, first of all, you're made out of cloth. I am? Yeah, I can't get a real parrot. Ow. Yeah. You're just a finger puppet. Oh, yeah, I am. I've been on the shop thing and you found me. Yeah, before I started recording. And let's see something else. We spent a little while in here. Hey, that's a far ways down. I wonder if they're solid under our feet. Probably just hills and stuff. Yeah, probably. Well, look how far down that is. Big hump. Yes, that is a big hump. Can I go down there? No, you can't. Ooh, balance. Yeah, there is. What are you doing? Don't you dare. No. 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 You're not tipping it. I'm sitting. Yes. I like the view. It might not be all that nice on camera, but it looks nice in real life. Yeah, the camera does kind of make it look different. Because it's digital. Looks nice. We're really high up. Yeah. It's amazing how much cameras change stuff. You have to make 3D things in flat. We're in a 3D world, but on a phone it's flat. So that's why it looks a whole lot different. It's zoomed in a little bit, made flat, and it's only pixels, so it makes it look a lot different. Ow! And we have atoms, basically very, very, very small pixels. Okay, let's go to the next runs. Cut the scene, cut the scene! Yeesh, don't have to be so cranky. Wait, where I'm going? Your finger puppet, you're on my finger, and I need to pause it with that hand. Why not the other hand? Because, let's just pause it. Now, these are ruins. Be careful, these or leaning. Okay. Okay, I think we could leave him. Nope, he's just sick. Get off of it. Yeesh. What was that? And he just pooped on the camera. Just a moment. Get here. Whoa. No, please, stop, 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 stop. I don't want poop rubbed on my back. Don't poop on the camera then. But I had to go poop on the ruins. Many birds done it. I don't want to get in trouble with the guys. You almost broke a wall on the other one. What's this? Let's climb through it. No. It's probably going to fall on us and we're probably going to die. Okay? Bathroom. I don't feel so good. Man, I don't know what to do with you. Ooh, that looks cool. Let's look over here first. Look at the scenery. Enough scenery. We don't want a whole bunch of filler. No, we don't. We want action. Let's get off the walls quickly. What is this? Toilet. A toilet. I still have to go. Leave. Because it's a toilet and you're meant to leave. Yes, I guess I'll point the camera somewhere else. Yeah, I think I pooped out an internal organ. Wait, you don't use a toilet, and that's probably not a toilet. It's probably like a water bowl. Are they gonna be mad? No, they're not gonna be mad. They're just gonna think it's ordinary bird. Why are you? Oh yeah, you're scared of heights. Might not look high, but it is high. It's a lot higher than it looks. See, the camera makes it look not all that much of a fall, but it is a fall. I'm going to go now. No, look at it. Nope. 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 Yeah, I could see why a lot of Indian kids died. You were sitting on a wall and it broke. Yeah, I would like to get it away from that now. Doorways! Yeah, I wanted to look at this. That's really cool. You almost have to crawl through it. Rebar.
At one time, there would have been wood stuck in each of these holes across to make a roof.
Wood?
Ceiling.
Oh. Cool.
Another room, too.
Let's check out some more of it. Why did you not put that on camera? I didn't want to. More doorways. Let's go through here. Wow. Indians must be sly. Well, there's a lot of echo here. That's interesting. Let's go through here. And to the entrance of that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this thing. What about that? Let's go there then. I think that was the place we went first. So I'm going to put this off camera so that this video doesn't get too long. Okay. Come on, pause. Oh, wait, it is paused. Don't tell me. Okay, I got really stupid because yes, it was going and I got the symbols wrong. Yep, the first place we were at. Oh, so we're back at the car And I'm going to turn the air conditioner on. Okay. So I'm going to pause the camera for a really long time. And you just sit somewhere. But do not poop. I already pooped 3 times. That's my tail, and my 2 wings. Yeah, I know what 3 is. Let me guess, 3 is bigger than 100? Yep. I'm going to find parrot school. You just sit there. I'm going to pause the camera. Okay, we're at a new cliff site. Now let's see what it has. Wait, is there one in a cliff? No, there's none of them in a cliff. Let's just cut to it. Okay. Okay, we made it to the ruins. Now they're behind. So, let's check it out real quick. Ooh, looks cool. This is a pretty boring room, like always. Oh, car. Sounded weird. Let's get into the ruins before it comes. Okay. Ooh, kind of a doorway type of thing. Ooh, a split room. This is interesting. Quick, hide. That's just fun. Well, the car can't even see us, so... Ow. Let's just get up. Hut. Oh. Ooh, what's in here? Don't know. Pretty tiny doorway, though. Yeah. No, you can't flip that. It's glued down. Do you have glue? Well, a similar thing. This is a tight fit. Man, those Indians must have been small. Yes, indeed. Let's see how high we're up. The camera saw all of that. What? Let's get back through here. Through the tight fit. What are you doing? Punishing myself. Why? Because I've got the flesh. What do you mean? On the prehistoric toilet. Oh yeah, that? Yeah, I've got the flesh. Ooh, more ruins. Yeah, more ruins. Looks like that's walled off. The camera could see it, and we could watch it later when it... Or there's just an entrance. Pretty boring. Yeah, that's just pretty boring. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Oh, it's tiresome. I'm getting up here. Keep moving, fat ass. I'm gonna edit that out. He is a fat ass. Well, I just edit all the bad things you just said. Are you gonna keep in the fat part? No. Or the bad word you said. I'm going to edit those out. Let's keep on walking. Edit it out. Let's just pause it, okay? Those are big ruins. Wow. Well, let's keep moving. That is a big hole in the ground. Might not look big, but same. Cameras change stuff. And that is a big hole. Boy, oh boy, that is big. We're at the entrance, and I think that's where a nuclear bomb got tested. This is the entrance. We came up there. Yes, fat ass. You're gonna make me edit so much out of this video. Wait, you couldn't edit before. Well, I noticed I could edit things out with only my phone, because it's built into my phone. So yeah, I could edit half the video out. Really? Yeah. Why only half? I can't eat a whole video. Like, that'd be impossible in editing. You just splice it down into 1 second. That's the farthest you could do. Wow, these are interesting. Yes, they are. Also, why did he show so much of the scenery? Well, as I said, I could edit that out. Oh, big hole. Yes, big hole indeed. Cliff. Yeah, cliff. How did you do that? I could extend my arms. Oh, are you seeing for the camera or something? Yes. Wait, what? I'm just joking. Yeah, you do that. I'm not a toilet. I have to. No, I don't have to poop. Well, you do seem like you're full of it. Wait, what? What did you say? You do have to poop. Yes, I'll edit it out. People. I can't see. Because the camera can't see. Oh, it's really tiny. What? Fly, 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 fly. You're not flying. Why? You're meant to stay on my finger. Ow. Like this, but you're a finger puppet. Wait, what? It's pretty well broken. Yes, it is. Wow. Wow, what? Wow, it's amazing how you can breathe. I'm not stupid. Why did you get all insulting all of a sudden? Because you're out of breath. We're free. We're just under 7,000 feet up in the air. The air is really thin, and I can't breathe well up here because the air is thin. Oh, another hole. There's a lot of those. Was there a roof above us originally? Yes. If the Indians were still here, I'd get a drink of water. Why? Because I'm thirsty. When I get back to the car, I'm going to get a drink of water. Ow. Weird. What's so weird? You're so dumb. You know I'm technically controlling your every move. Yeah, I know. Wait, wasn't the entrance that way? Oh. Yeah, see, you're dumb. No, I'm not dumb.
I noticed they kind of spread it out with the red, didn't put too much in one place. Yeah.
So I'm going to pause the camera now. Okay. Okay, birdie dude. There's the last ruin, so I'm going to pause it for a long time. Okay. So this is the biggest one. Oh, can we go in it? Sadly, no. Aww. So this is the last ruin in this area, so we're going to go to the... If my voice sounds muffled, that's because I'm wearing a mask. This one, you're required to wear a mask. So yeah, that's the end of this park. Now let's go to a cooler one. With ruins inside of walls, like that one down there. Okay. So let's go on to wall.
Stop!
As I was saying, time to go to Walnut Creek and go into wall ruin. Okay. No, we're not putting any fillers. Sit there and wait. Okay.